Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of solar energy systems. Gone are the days when installing solar panels was a complex DIY project. With solar going mainstream, it has become a $14 billion market in the US alone, providing power to 26 million homes. But with so many options available, choosing the right solar company can be overwhelming. That's where Primitive Power comes in. This Arizona-based company acts as a solar broker and concierge to help consumers navigate the solar industry. Primitive operates a virtual call center, educating consumers about the solar landscape. From equipment options to financing and available incentives. After a consultation, they connect customers with a network of solar installation companies. Primitive sets itself apart by offering multiple options and optimal system setups. They even suggest not going solar if it's not the right fit for you. Their goal is to create a lifetime partnership with customers, providing ongoing support and assistance. With an easy-to-use app, customers can monitor their solar system's energy production and stay in touch with Primitive Power. While the company doesn't offer a standard warranty, they work with top-tier manufacturers and reliable installers to ensure quality and long-term support. Primitive typically recommends monocrystalline panels and lithium-ion batteries with warranties ranging from 10 to 25 years. Consistent with industry standards, Primitive offers flexibility in financing, including leasing and power purchase agreements. They aim to find the best value for each customer, considering factors like product quality, warranties, and installation services. The process starts with a virtual consultation to understand the customer's needs and find the right solar plan. Once the installer is chosen, Primitive handles design, permitting, and installation in consultation with the customer. Primitive Power brings a unique approach to the solar industry, providing guidance and personalized support throughout your solar journey. While they don't receive a score from CNET, their BBB accreditation and positive customer reviews make them worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to our solar energy review. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and updates. Make an informed decision when going solar. And let us know if you'd like to see more reviews on products like this. See you next time on Product Critique.